How to draw nachos, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so I hope you're all doing well today. For the first step in making our nachos, we're going to begin by making the box. We're going to do this by using two rectangular-like shapes that will both be slanted. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video of nachos, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the newest drawings. Nice job! Now slightly to the left, we're going to begin to make our second rectangular-like shape. This will connect to what we just made. Nice job! Now on the left hand side of the page, we're going to begin to add in a cup of cheese. We're going to do this by using C-like shapes. When we make our cup, it's going to appear as if cheese is oozing out of the side. Now under the drizzling cheese, we're going to add in a straight line. So far this is coming along very well. Next, we're going to begin to make our nacho chips. We're going to do this by using triangle-like shapes. My favorite part about this step is that you can organize your chips in any way that you would like, and you can make them as large or small as you please. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Next, we're going to add some lines to our box of nachos. When we color in our box of nachos, this will help separate the colors. So later on, I'm going to color my box of nachos red, but you can choose any color that you want. That's what really makes this drawing fun. Fantastic! Now on top of all of our nacho chips, we're going to add a little bit of cheese on top. Now last but not least, let's add a little bit of detail below our nacho cheese on every one of our chips. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoy watching videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you updated on the newest videos. Now stick around so that we can cut our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.